Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still think this is an A. I think this is three ways down for a B, and I think we're in a 1, 2, and I believe we're in a wave 3 of either a running flat wave C or an expanding wave C. Either scenario, I still think we're going to lead to a pretty big uptrend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves up, like wave 1 subdivision, WXY, wave 2 subdivision, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern, and I believe that it will continue, at least on the weekly time frame, to make higher highs, higher lows for this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I definitely think this first 5 waves up is a wave 1. I think this is an expanding flat ABC correction for a wave 2. I think we're in subdivisions of a wave 3 right now. It does kind of make sense that maybe it would make a pullback, but even if it does make a pullback, I'm still primarily looking for longs, because this is a wave 3 trend most likely, and a wave 3 trend is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we don't even really have a break of structure. For me, the last structure break would be way down here. I don't really think this right here counts as a new swing. I think this is more likely an A, B, C correction potentially to only this last move up. So if you do see this, last little push down, the wave C, the potential wave C, make a nice impulsive move to the upside, I definitely would continue to trade with the trend, especially because we are in most likely a wave 3 on the higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is kind of where you can see what I mean. I think this right here is more likely a wave A. To me, this looks more like a corrective pattern, like a wave B, and this kind of looks to me like it's a wave C. So if we do get a nice impulsive move up, if we do get it like that engulfing break of structure, then I definitely would take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend, especially on the pound dollar, which the pound has been very strong these last couple of weeks compared to other dollar pairs. Now, if this is actually an expanding flat, like I was talking about yesterday, then it probably more likely will not break up yet. It probably more likely will go down to like the 161, 178% Fibonacci extension before it actually breaks up. So as long as you pay attention to price, pay attention to structure, you should be able to tell whether this is actually going to go up like this, break structure, and continue the uptrend now, or within the next few hours, or whether it's going to drift down for the good portion of the day, or maybe even tomorrow, and make a big expanding ABC correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.